Hello, today we're talking about how to use your own video assets for AI video generation with Visla's Private Stock. This feature lets you take your existing videos and images and turns it into stock footage for video creation, allowing you to streamline your video production workflow and easily repurpose existing assets. Let me show you how. First, let's talk about getting your assets into your private stock. From the home page, click on your clips library, then the private stock tab. Here you can either upload assets directly from your computer or import videos that are already in Visla. You can also add videos from your clips library by selecting them and clicking Mark as Private Stock. From the clips view, add a video by clicking on the personal stock icon here. Private stock management is available on our desktop and mobile apps as well, so you can add footage directly from any device. Once your assets have been added, they will be processed by Visla's AI for scene detection and auto tagging. For free users, you'll need to manually add the video description and tags. To do this, go to your private stock and click on a clip. Then type in the description and tags. I recommend including descriptive details of what is happening in the video and any special keywords that a regular person might not know, like your brand name or a technical process. For premium users, your videos will be auto-tagged with smart AI analysis. But you will want to check that the scene descriptions and tags are accurate. I'd also make sure that you include any special keywords that the AI couldn't see, like your product name or the specific action that is happening in that scene. You can also remove a specific scene from the private stock by clicking on this person icon here. Alright, let me show you how the AI video generation works. Click on Create Video from the home page, then select the input you want to start with. Let's use Idea and instruct Visla's AI to generate a video about how to edit subtitle text styles in Visla and why it's key for brand consistency. Now, under the Generate button dropdown, you'll see options for the footage stock libraries and the background music stock libraries. If you only want to use private stock, deselect free and premium stock. However, you can select all of them to pull from all the libraries. Visla's AI will pull in the best footage from your private stock into your video.
Ever noticed how default subtitles rarely match your brand's unique style? Today, we're transforming bland subtitles.
My private stock was pulled in to showcase how to edit subtitles, which is amazing. You might need to adjust the clips a bit, but overall it will really save you a lot of time generating videos that are relevant to you and your brand. There are many more features to come, but for now, this is the end of our video. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon!